Good morning. For once, it seems the weather gods have aligned, and after a cool, miserable, soggy week, the weekend, well, at least looks a bit drier and a bit brighter. It's still pretty fresh out there, but it should feel a bit warmer by this afternoon. Now, it's not gloriously sunny everywhere, far from it. In fact, across northwest Scotland, this morning is going to be rather damp and the rain will trickle its way into Northern Ireland. A bright start there for some here, and it is generally a fine start to the day across England and Wales. The overnight rain just clearing from the south coast through the first part of the morning. It's not warm out there and temperatures will only slowly increase through the day, but it'll feel pleasant enough in the sunshine, certainly compared to much of this week. It isn't dry everywhere, as I mentioned, that rain just trickling into western Scotland, eventually a few spots cropping up in Glasgow, and by the end of the afternoon, maybe Belfast too. And the breeze also quite noticeable across the northwest, quite gusty in the Northern Isles. Elsewhere, the winds are a lot lighter than they have been. A bit of sunshine will make it feel pretty pleasant, with temperatures widely getting up to the high teens or the low to maybe even mid-20s across the southeast. Now, we will see that cloud thickening further across southern Scotland, bringing a bit of patchy rain here. The rain's slow to clear from the east of Northern Ireland into the evening, and it will spread into northwest England, parts of north and west Wales. So if you've got evening plans here, just bear in mind it may turn a little soggy. It does turn drier across Scotland and Northern Ireland, and we should hang on to some evening sunshine across the Midlands and eastern England. But I've just put the temperatures back on. It's not one of those balmy summer evenings. Although there'll be a bit of sunshine, it will still feel rather fresh. Now, that rain edges into the southeast and East Anglia for Sunday morning, so it's a dull, damp start to Sunday here, taking its time before it finally pulls away. But then again, for most, it's dry and bright on Sunday, just a few scattered showers, chiefly in the northwest. But even here, it won't be as wet as Saturday afternoon. The winds will be lighter, temperatures generally a little bit lower, but overall warmer than it has been for much of this week. More details, of course, and a look further ahead into Wimbledon week available through our YouTube channel or online.